Hello everyone, welcome to our drone technology sharing meeting. Thank you for joining. Drone technology is popular worldwide, but many people do not fully understand its practical value, career prospects, and rules for safe and ethical use. Today, we will share useful knowledge about drone applications, career opportunities, and responsible usage. Let's start. Drones are widely used in aerial photography, agriculture, and public services. They monitor crops, spray pesticides, carry out mapping, inspect the roads, monitor environment, and assist in emergencies by reaching hard-to-access areas. With AI and automation, drones will gain more innovative functions and be applied in new industries. It has huge development potential. Next, we would like to introduce various career opportunities in the drone industry for everyone, especially the younger generation. Drone pilot and aerial photographer operate drones and shoot aerial footage to make commercial videos. Industrial mapping and facility inspection. Drone maintenance engineer. Professionals take charge of regular equipment inspection, fault fixing, and routine daily upkeep of drones. Drone branding and programmer. Employees develop drone programming codes and design new drone functions as well as innovative drone models. Drone event planner. Workers organize all preparation and on-site arrangements for different drone competitions. Drone technical instructor. Tutors deliver systematic professional skill training to drone learners. This is the most important part. Safety and ethics. Safety rules. Avoid no-fly zones near airports, military zones, crowded places, and high-rise buildings. Control flight height and distance. Do not fly when tired or in bad weather. Check battery and equipment before each flight. Ethical rules. Respect privacy. Do not use cameras to shoot private houses, balconies, or follow people secretly. In summary, drone technology is neutral. Its value depends on users' literacy and ethics. Always operate legally, protect public safety and privacy, and let drones create positive social value. Now let's have an interactive Q&A session with some review questions.
Yes, I have. I used to own a small drone when I was little to take picture of the scenery. Besides that, I sometimes see drone in Hong Kong as well. Some police would use them for traffic monitoring.
Yes, I have seen drones before, but I have never used one myself. I have seen drones being used for aerial photography at events and for creating videos of tourist attractions. They're also often used by content creators to capture unique views from above.
The first question, have you ever seen or used a drone before? If yes, in what context? My answer is yes. I have seen drones many times. Mostly during my travels, people use them to capture mountains and lakes, recording the full breathtaking beauty of nature.
Two things come to mind when I hear the word drone. First, I'll think about the cool traveling videos and the photography taken from above. But secondly, I also think about the privacy concern, since drone can fly anywhere and take pictures of people without them knowing, which can be a bit of worrying.
When I hear the word drone, I think of a small flying device that can be controlled remotely. I also think of photography, technology, and innovation because drones are widely used to capture images and videos from the sky.
What comes to mind when you hear the word drone? For me, it makes me thinking of game consoles. They have a similar look and both require human controls, and yet their purpose are completely different, and that's what's so fascinating.
I think drones started as a toy for fun, but now they are definitely a serious work tool. They are essential for inspecting tall skyscrapers or bridges where it's dangerous for humans to go. So while hobbyists exist, their main value is not professional utility.
I think drones can be used for both fun and work. Some people use them as a hobby to take photos or race with friends, while others use them for professional purposes, such as surveying land, delivering goods, monitoring crops, and assisting in rescue operations.
And the third one, do you think drones are mentally for fun, for work, or for something else? I believe would bring them closer to everyday life or ordinary people is definitely entertainment, specifically like people, they like the shots, photography, and many nature lovers used to see beautiful sights hidden from the human eyes. That's so important.
I think drone will definitely help my community. as it can be used to deliver the medical supplies or food for the elderly that live in the remote villages. Apart from that, it can also be used to rescue people who are lost from hiking.
Yes, I think drones can be very useful for local communities because they can do tasks that are either dangerous, slow, or difficult for us. For example, in emergency situations such as floods, landslides, or building accidents, drones can quickly survey the area and help rescue teams understand what is happening without putting more lives at risk. They can also be used to locate missing people much faster by covering large areas like forests or riversides. In everyday life, drones can help with traffic monitoring by identifying congestions or accidents, which allows authorities to respond more efficiently. In architecture, farmers can use drones to check crop conditions, detect diseases, and improve irrigation. This can help farming more efficient and less wasteful.
First one, do you think drones can be used to help your local community and how? Yes, absolutely yes. Drones can help the community by inspecting high-rise buildings or checking power lines for safety hazards. And local police or fire department can also use them for a rapid emergency assessment.
Yes, I'll be very interested in learning more about drone technology in the future. As a student, I see drone become a standard skills in many industries, from construction to media. And learning how to pilot them legally and safely will definitely make me more employable in the future market here in Hong Kong.
Yes, I would be interested in learning more about drone technology because it is becoming increasingly important in many industries. I think understanding how drones work could open up new opportunities for education, research, and future careers.
And last one, would you be interested in learning more and more drones technology in the future and why not? Of course I will. It sounds incredibly interesting and a great opportunity to learn more about the new technology, especially with how it integrate with AI.
I didn't know that drone will have so many use. Before this, I almost thought of them as toys or tools for photographers. I was surprised to hear about their practical applications like delivering medical supplies to remote areas or inspecting dangerous construction sites.
Yes, I've definitely learned a lot, and I was surprised to discover that drones are not only used for photography and videography, but also in agriculture, delivery services, and also mapping. And I also learned some basic principles of how to fly drones and how drones are controlled. It was interesting to see how this technology is being used to solve real-world problems.
What did I learn today? Today I learned that drones are useful for far more than just taking photos. They play a huge role in any part of our lives. And I think the most important part, is I realized that how intelligent future technique can be. And I learned about how drones integrate with AI technology. That's so important. That's all.
So I'm group members from the SET7 and GROUP11. So today I want to share something about drone all of you. So now drone are very common around us. So they are not just cool toys. They have a wide users in our lives. They can take the beautiful photos and help the farmers grow crops and even support rescues and work during the disasters. So they bring a great convenience to our societies. So besides the industries also bring many new jobs, such as the pilots and maintenance engineers. So it's a promising field for us young people. So however, we must use them safely and ethically. Cannot fly near the airports, crowded place. And more important, must never thought others' private life with them to protect personal privacy. In short, technology is neutral. We should enjoy the convenience of them and always follow the rules. So let's be responsibility technology users. So thank you for your listening.
Before this project, I thought drones were just expensive toys for taking cool aerial photos. But after planning and running this community engagement activity, my perspective have completely changed. When we interview people using those 5 questions, I was surprised that most adults didn't know drones are already being used for medical deliveries, farming, and even search and rescue missions. What impacted me the most was seeing the younger participants' eye light up when we showed them drone simulation videos. I realized that awareness is the first step to inspiration. This project taught me that technology isn't just about gadgets, it's about how we communicate its value to ordinary people. I now feel more confident in explaining complex technologies in simple, relatable ways. And I truly believe that community engagement like this can bridge the gap between innovation and public understanding.
In this project, I learned more about drone technology and its importance in our daily life. My role was to prepare information what drone uses, future opportunities, and the safety and ethical use of drones. Through these activities, I learned more that drones can bring many benefits, but we must use them responsibly. Drones can help in areas like media, farming, and emergency service. I also learned the importance of teamwork and communication. Working with group members helped me improve my creativity and problem-solving skills. Overall, this project helped me understand how technology can create a positive impact on society.
As a team member of this drone online science popularization activity, I participate in the preparation and implementation of the activity throughout the whole process. I have sorted out the professional knowledge of drones in industry application, care direction, and safety ethics, and participated in the work of share video, from material collection to post-production. Through this teamwork, my personal experience in drone has been strengthened, and I have also experienced in the ability in activity organization, video editing, and team communication. In addition, our popular scientist sharing has helped participants update their understanding of drones, raising the public's awareness of the standardized and legal use of drones, and brought a positive education impact to community.
I found that hands-on experience is much more effective than theoretical explanation for public engagement. People engage more when they could see and safely interact with the drone. However, managing a live event also brought unexpected challenges, such as handling technical issues on site and ensuring safety boundaries. It taught me how to adapt quickly and emphasize why risk assessment and ethical guidelines are critical when introducing emerging technologies to a community.